If a visitor or an adult or anybody was coming up to Forder, they would buzz our main entrance. That buzzer system then goes to our secretaries.
When a guest or a parent is buzzed in, our secretaries can't see that person physically walk into the building. There's a couple different ways that a parent could come into the office, or they could go up the stairs, or they could go down a few other hallways, and our secretaries lose sight of them once they're buzzed into the building.
Once they enter in, there's access to a stairwell, our commons area, and our main hall before they would even find the office. We have a lot of visitors, if you haven't been here before, they don't even know where the main office is.
So some of the problems that I see with the entrances are the secretaries are not up front, so they cannot see who they're letting into the buildings. Once anybody gets inside the building, they're already there. So they can go down certain hallways without anybody seeing them.
If Prop S is passed, they're going to reconfigure our office so that when a parent comes up to sign a student out or any visitors come up to the building, our secretaries and our SRO will be able to see them right away.
We would be reconfiguring our entrance. We would be having a holding space that visitors would go into before they actually enter our building, and it would make our entrance to our building much safer for our students and everybody that works within the Forder.
We need to know who's in our schools. We need to be able to sign them in. We need to be able to make sure that they're going where they need to go and that they have the support to go where they need to go. Security entrances will allow us the ability to do that. We want to greet every family. We want to greet every person who comes to our school. We want them to have a good experience. We want them to be met with a smile. We want to make sure that they feel safe and that others in our building feel safe when we get visitors.